Hi, beautiful people. How are you doing? I'm feeling very empowered by the women I'm going to talk about today. In honor of Women's History Month, I wanted to take a minute to recognize a few great women who transformed the way we cook and eat. To be sure, there are too many pioneering women to list in this video, but these brilliant inventors made products that I simply can't live without. In no specific order, here are 5 of these extraordinary people. Number 1. Melita Bentz. Like many chefs, I'm a total night owl, which means I need ridiculous quantities of coffee to function in the morning. That's why I have to give a shout out to Melita Bentz, inventor of the coffee filter. Bentz, a German housewife, hated loose grounds at the bottom of her coffee cup. I can relate. After some trial and error, she found a solution to the problem of loose coffee grounds in the unlikeliest of places: her son's school notebook. She tore a piece of blotting paper out of said notebook, affixed it to an old tin pot, put some ground coffee on top, and ran hot water over it. Thus, the coffee filter was born. In 1908, she patented her paper filter and went into business with her husband. Today, her company, the Melita Group, currently employs 4,000 employees worldwide. Number 2, Madeline Turner. Turner was an African-American woman from Oakland, California. Her claim to fame? In 1916, she patented her Turner's Fruit Press, the precursor to the juicers that so many of us, myself included, use and love today. A big part of the reason the fruit press became so popular was that it was so easy to use. Users would slice a fruit, usually citrus, in half, then set it between several plates. When pressed, the plates would extract the juice, which would then pour out of a spout at the bottom of the machine, and voila, a quick cup of orange juice. Number 3, Joyce Chen. Out of my vast repertoire of dishes, stir fry is the one I am most likely to make for myself on any given night. It's simple, fast, and affordable, but it still gives me plenty of opportunities to mix and match ingredients to my heart's content. And it's much easier to make in my flat-bottomed stir-fry pan. That's why I have to give a shout-out to my girl Joyce Chen, who patented this unique pan, which she called the Peking Wok in the 1970s. Number 4, Florence Parpart. Flashback to the early part of the 20th century. If you wanted to keep your drinks cold and your food from spoiling, you had to store them in your icebox, which of course required a steady supply of ice. It was quite the pain. Luckily, Florence Parpart changed all that when she invented the electric refrigerator in 1914. While the rather expensive invention wasn't terribly widespread at first, it's clearly taken off in the last 100-plus years. Today, 99.8% of American homes have an electric refrigerator. The consummate inventor, Parpart had a few other patents to her name, including an improved street sweeper. But the electric refrigerator is the invention that I and countless other cooks will always be grateful for. And number 5, Josephine Cochran. I think everyone can join me in giving a big thank you to Josephine Cochran, inventor of the dishwasher. Is there a more convenient kitchen device? To be sure, she did not invent the electric dishwasher that graces so many kitchens today, but her manual dishwasher paved the way for that development. Cochran's device consisted of a copper boiler with a wheel on top of it. Dirty dishes were placed in compartments on the motorized wheel, which turned while hot, soapy water pumped out of the boiler. Although the invention was patented in the late 19th century, the dishwasher didn't gain widespread popularity until the 1950s, when hot water and dish detergent became more readily available. Well, there you go. Are you feeling inspired? These women changed cooking forever, making our lives easier. Not only have these brilliant women improved our lives and kitchens, they and others like them have paved the way for future female scientists. And believe me, the future is bright. If you want to know about more amazing women inventors, go visit cookingwithjade.com because I put some more on my website for you to read. See you next time.